Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to uninstall apps on Windows 11. So first you need to locate your start menu, and then here on your start menu what you're going to do is you have to search for add or remove programs. So type add or remove programs and you have to click the open button right here, option right here, tap on open. It will take you directly to apps and features. And as you can see below here, you can see this apps and features. And in order for you to basically uninstall application on Windows 11, you just have to select or click that specific application. And then you will see this uninstall button right here. And all you have to do is tap on uninstall. You will have to wait for a couple of seconds or a minute, depends. But once done, you will no longer see that application here under apps and features. So basically, if that's it, you have to look again for another application here and just tap or click and then tap on uninstall button and wait for a couple of seconds. Then you will no longer see that application or feature right here. Now, what are the advantages of uninstalling your application? Of course, first and foremost, frees up disk space, improves system performance, reduces clutter, increases security, decreases background activity, minimizes software conflicts, saves internet bandwidth, and enhances focus and productivity. So basically, if you want to increase or if you want to have huge space here on your local disk, then I strongly suggest to uninstall some of your unnecessary applications or features here. So basically, that's how easy it is to uninstall apps on Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.